Kwaga tauro cia utheru makiria hindi ya kahinda ka mweri hari arutwo aria maumite family-ini iria itari na uhoti ni undu ucangire mwana wa Airĩtũ kuingira mutego-ini wa kuhika tene oro hamwe na kugia nda cia tene kumana nake kwaga guthoma na oho gwikora moko-ini ma arume aganu ena mwihoko wa kuona mbeca cia kugura tauro ici. Makiaria hindi ya kuheana tauro ici arutani kuma macukuru matiganite kuma mwena wa Mĩhĩnga o hamwe na atongoria a ngathĩ itiganite ni macakaite mathina maria ciana cia Airĩtũ iragerera ihinda-ini riri magikiaritana kuri thirikari kuheanaga tauro ici kuri arutwo o mweri.
That are not pure. She is exposed to predators. This desperation is a gateway to 3 devastating challenges. Gender-based violence. A girl in need is often a girl exploited. We have seen cases where young girls are manipulated by older men who offer a few shillings in exchange of their bodies. This is not love. This is not love. It is violence. This is not love. It is violence. It is abuse. It must stop. It must stop.
As teachers or end teachers, we remember last year during examination time, we had to go extra miles in order to see every girl had the sanitary towels. So, our humble request is to ask our government to follow, our leaders to follow Madam Honorable Kairemia example to meet the challenges teachers we experiencing as we cater for the learners.